Security National is a wonderful company. We're celebrating our 50th year, of course, and it was founded by my father, George Quist. Back in the 60s, life insurance companies were much like .coms are today. And so it was very important to him as he started bringing in people around him that he wanted people who had been educated and who knew more than what he did.
George, our founder, did an excellent job of putting together this company and putting together these assets. And I always kind of say like pushing them into a pile. And then along comes Scott, who helped organize that pile and helped to give us a lot of direction and focus on what we needed to do.
If you look historically over a national trend, 20 years ago there were 1,600 life insurance companies nationwide. That number is contracted by 50%.
The stability really comes from, I think, senior management's philosophy of being patient, taking its time as it looks for alternative investments and other companies to acquire.
Growth is always important to a company. If you're not growing, then you're dying. So good measured growth is the most important thing that you can have in a company. If you try to grow too fast, you can collapse a company. So when we work on growth, we work on it on a measured basis.
And from that, we've grown to expand our insurance operations to where that's a major line of business for us. We are a mortgage company that routinely closes over $250 million a month. And then we have cemeteries and mortuaries as our third line of business. So we have three main lines of business at Security National.
We're a lot of different businesses and a lot of different activities going on in this umbrella of Security National. And each of these businesses needs to be a sustainable activity.
All of our branches are independently asked to do the same thing and to operate off of their own financial statements and to be profitable in their own right.
I tell everybody at Security National, it's like a seesaw, and every, again, our umbrella and all the pieces and parts underneath, we really rely on each other.
These different businesses create value for one another, and we've strategically chosen these businesses, not only because of the markets we're in, but because how they can be somewhat symbiotic in helping one another.
Our motto here at Security National is excellence. You'll see that little saying, our motto is excellence, everywhere. I like to think it's not excellence because someone is looking over my shoulder or someone else's shoulder. I like to think it's excellence because that's what I do. That's me. That's what I get up to do.
We're a sales organization, period. And that is the horsepower that drives the machine. And as long as I do my job, increase sales, come within budget, and increase the quality of the business that we sell, that's a trifecta. Everybody wins.
At Security National, we are not a place that is going to put out a lot of edicts and rules about how you can do your job. Now, we have high expectations and we expect performance, but as far as managers or division heads or vice presidents go, you have a lot of latitude.
I love that type of accountability. I think that's fantastic. And that's what the company has given me, and what I've tried to give the employees that I'm responsible for is that pure, good old-fashioned opportunity to create success.
You look at the tools that we have today versus what my father George had back in 1965. With the asset base that we have today, with the revenues that we have today, with the things that we can do for our people, the marketing campaigns we can put together, with the follow-up campaigns we can have for our customers, there's many more things that we can do today.
We really do have some exceptional people, and to me that's what's most optimistic about it, because the marketplaces we serve for our particular businesses they're there for us to harvest. We just need to go out and get it.
I'm excited about the future because I believe in what we sell, and I know that the operations group believes in what we sell. The field management team believes in what we sell. The producers believe in what we sell. If they didn't, they wouldn't be here. And that's why I'm optimistic about the future.